Alright, just finished up cleaning up this primary. Got it looking pretty good now. So it's all blasted off and cleaned. Weld job looks good. I ground that away a little bit, smoothed it up. Got it looking pretty good that way. Clean that all up, so now it looks pretty nice. And then I found the problem. So, right over here, we found the crack. Right along that edge. Right through here is where they break all the time, and this one's not broken. It hasn't come off yet, but it is broken. This one here is not broken. I saw this big line right here. Whoa, was that a crack or what's that? Is that a parting line? That's a parting line. There's no crack on this side. But then I saw that when I blast up further. That would be a problem. It's not really, you can just barely see the crack line through here. It's to the point where it hasn't fallen off yet, but it is to the point where it has to be fixed. So basically it needs to be all V'd out. All the way around this side, flip it over a little on the other side, and you gotta come back and machine everything flat. And I gotta try to save the dimension, the roundness around here, which is hard to do. But now they got the gasket that goes across here. The format gasket is the one, and the other one is the James metal coated steel one. It's kind of a tar type material. It's rubber material, rubberized material. But the format one's that modern gasket material that he uses these days. So anyway, disappointing. It was a pretty damn nice primary. And I found that problem, and then now I find the real problem. That's the real problem. Alright, well, more repair work needing to be done. So, fun, fun, fun. There you go.